She is soaking the Korean rice cakes in water to soften them.
She is slicing onion, chopping green onions, and mincing garlic for the sauce base.
She is heating the pan, pouring in water, and adding onion and garlic to start the tteokbokki base. She is adding the soaked Korean rice cakes into the spicy tteokbokki broth. She is stirring the melted cheese into the spicy tteokbokki until the sauce becomes thick, creamy, and glossy. She is adding extra shredded cheese on top and letting it melt over the tteokbokki. And here we have it, the finished cheesy Korean tteokbokki. Look at that steam and the melted cheese.
She is lifting another spoonful of cheesy tteokbokki to show the rich, creamy texture.